Today I'm not going to do much. I went ahead and I put the battery in. It's all hooked up. I wanted to test the lights before I went any further. Let me show you. And turn signal works. Turn signal works. That's great. Brakes. Nice. So now I only have the two in the trunk and the center light. Before I had those two auxiliary brake lights, I took that off. I think it looks much cleaner without it, you know what I'm saying? The trunk actually came out really good. See if you guys can see that. Came out really nice. So I haven't even polished it up yet or buffed it out. I like the new antenna. I think that's 13 inch I think it was. I gotta get one more for this side for the radio. And let's check these turn signals, make sure they work. And beautiful. Those are the LEDs I put in. It's a strip, light strip. And I hooked it up with a diode. It was really simple to do. Turn signal works, brake lights all work. Yep, I'm good. I am happy. Alright, so that's done. Got that all in. It's all good. Those pieces, side covers, they're dry. They're just waiting to be buffed out. They look really good. Alright, so I got this organizer. It's a Harley Davidson brand, I assume, because it says Harley Davidson on it. Anyway, it was inside the old Tour-Pak lid, and it just sits like that. The problem I have with this is the ends kind of fold up. I don't like that too much. So, I'm going to glue this in somehow. Just trying to, because I think this is plastic. The guy used double-sided tape and all that crap, and it doesn't work well at all. So I'm going to try, like I said, to glue this in. I'm going to use this stuff called Goop automotive contact adhesive. And I'm just going to run it right over the top of this stuff, right where the contact tape is, because this obviously ain't sticking anymore. I ripped it off. And see if this will actually hold it in place better than, I think this is 3M tape. So I'm just going to go around, put a huge B all over this. Hope I don't have to ever take this off, because this stuff's supposed to like really hold on really well over here. Well, yeah, I'm going crazy with this shit. Alright, use about the whole tube. So I'm going to place it in. Try to find where the holes are to match them up. Then we're going to take it back out. And the whole idea is you got to let this stuff dry. Oof, what a mess. You got to let it dry and get, what's the word for it? Tacky. I got the bolts from the top rack. So what I'm going to do is put it through and line those holes up and make sure they stay aligned. Alright. It's been about 2 minutes, I'd say. Let's get this in there. Let's line everything up. I'm going to line up these holes. And the last one. Should be right on the money. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on this. Right? Try to get it all set up. Take some weight. The size of the curve here. I'm going to put some weight on it. Obviously I don't want to go too crazy with the weight, but I do want this to stay down so it adheres. Okay, I think that's going to do it. I'll put a link in the description for this stuff. It's actually pretty good stuff. Amazing Goop. I've used it in the past and it works very well. It does the job. And I think that's going to be it for today. And that's all I'm going to do today. It's hot, it's humid, it's not a good day for painting anything. So I'm calling it quits. I'm out. You all take care of yourselves. I'll see you another day. Bye-bye.